Okay, they said a helicopter flies from A with latitude and longitude 60 north and 60 west. Why this B 60 north 20 west? If the journey takes 120 minutes, calculate to three significant figures the speed of the helicopter. The second part of the query, if it then flies due north from B to C, 640 kilometer away, calculate the latitude of C. Okay, look at this diagram. So this is my globe. So let me now label the latitude and longitudes. So 60 knots. So let me call here. Okay, let me call here 60 knots and 60 west. Okay, let me call here 60 west. So why here? So my point, the point of intersection of 60 west and 60 north is this. So this is my A. Why this is 60 north, 20 west. So let me take this as 20 because 20 is less than 60. So this is my 20. This is my 20 west. So my aim is to find the speed. We know that speed is distance over time. Distance over time. And we are to find it. So if you take, because this is distance along latitude, so if this is the center, let's call it O subscript 1 with radius, this is small circle. So small circle, the radius is R, the same small r. So we have something like this. We have something like this with the axis here. This over. So this is B and this is A. So we'll see that B, the latitude of the longitude of B is 20. So this is 20. That's it, 20. Why that of A is 60. So meaning 20 plus 40 is 60. So let's calculate AB. Let me draw a line. So using our length of arc formula, AB is theta, which is 40 over 360 times 2 pi r. So let me use pi 22 over 7, and r is always big. I've derived it, so big R, and we know that is 6,400 cos the common latitude, which is 60, because of that I have common latitude 60. So this is 1 over 9 times, okay, this is half, because 60 is half, so half, so I have 22 times 22 over 7 times 6,400, because 60 is half, so half. So let's use calculator so that we'll get it fast. Let's find this. So I have 22 times 6,400 divided by so I have 22, I have 2,200 and 2,234. 0.92. So this is our distance, kilometer. But they ask us to find the speed. So speed is always distance. Speed is distance over time. So this kilometer, they say kilometer per hour because they gave us 120 minutes means 2 hours. So I have divided by 2. So 2234.9 divided by 2. So I have 1117.45. So that's our speed, kilometer per hour. So they say to the nearest to 3 significant 1 to 3. So I have 0.2 1120 kilometer per hour to 3 significant figure. So the next question, they said if it then flies due north to sea, which is 640 kilometer away. Okay, look at the diagram. So they said if it now flies to sea, so let's see be. They asked us to find the latitude of, so let the latitude of C be, maybe let's use 5. So if C, this is point C. Yes, it flies due north to point C. So from B it goes up to C. So it must be along the longitude because you can't move on the empty space. So we're asked to find the latitude of C. Common sense will now tell us that we are now on distance along the longitude. Yes. So see what I have here. So CB and CC. So our distance along the longitude is a great circle. So C will connect it. This is now big radius R. Big radius R. So no more this, because this is the distance along this big circle. So I have this is now distance along the longitude. So big R, big R. So they say the distance is 640. So we want to get, as you can see, this is B. We know that longitude, the latitude of B is 60. See where the mathematics comes in. The latitude of this is 60. We want to get the latitude of C, so which is 5. So the middle here will now be 5. The middle here, the angle between these two is now 5 minus 60 degrees. Do you get? This is 60. Why the total here is 5. So the angle between B and C is now 5 minus 60. So the latitude of C must be greater than B. Yes. So they gave us that the distance between B and C, which is 640, is now equal to the angular difference, which is 5 minus 60 over 360 times 2 pi big R. So 2 pi is 22 over 7. Big R is 6,400. So let's make phi the subject of formula. Phi is now 60 plus. You get this in this. Remaining 10 here, 0, 0. Remaining 36, 2 in 36, 18. 2 in 22, 11, 18, 9. So 9 times 7 is 63 over 11. So this should be 63, and that this should be 5, oh no, 55 plus 8 times 9. So I think this is 65 point something, because 63 over 11 is point. So this is 5.7, so 65.72 degrees. So that's the latitude of C. So it's a tricky question, very simple, but it's very tricky. Thank you.